Hey guys, welcome to Pharma Palette. Today we will be discussing about another pharmacological classification which is the corticosteroids. Now let's try to learn this classification with simple tricks So the corticosteroids are divided into two classes. So the first one is glucocorticoids and the second one is mineralocorticoids. So here in mineralocorticoids we just have three simple drugs. So, to remember them, remember this trick which is fluids. For mineralocorticoids, remember fluids, where F means it is fludrocortisone, D means it is DOCA, and the full form of this is desoxycorticosterone acetate is DOCA. Now, with the term A, there is one more drug which is aldosterone. So, for mineralocorticoids, just remember one term which is fluids. In this, also remember two letters, one is F and D, where F means it is fludrocortisone. D means it is DOCA, and the full form of this is desoxycorticosterone acetate. And here in the DOCA, the ending letter is A. With A, we have aldosterone. So these are the drugs that are present under this mineralocorticoids. Coming back to the first class, which is glucocorticoids, these are further divided into three classes. So first one is short acting, second one is intermediate acting, and long acting. So to remember the drugs under this, for short, remember that Hydra is short. Hydra is short. For intermediate class, remember Primeth Triam Def. And for long acting, remember Dex Bet. Now let's see the drugs under this. So in the short acting, Hydra is short. So the drug here is hydrocortisone. And for intermediate acting, so we have Pre. Pre means it is prednisolone. Then we have Meth, means it is methylprednisolone. Then Triam. Triam means it is triamcinolone. Def, which means deflazacort. So deflazacort is the last drug. And in the long acting, Dexbet. So there are two drugs. One is dexamethasone. Bet means it is betamethasone. In long acting, remember that these will be starting with dexa and beta and ending with methasone. And in intermediate acting, Primeth Triam Def. Then you'll get the drugs. And in the short acting, hydro is short. So this is the complete classification of corticosteroids with tricks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Pharma Palette.